Hi, my name is Nicole Makai.
And my name is Sabrina Negron.
How it works. Optical illusions are perceived by the eyes, then the brain processes it. It creates a perception, but in reality doesn't match the true image.
Why it happens? This happens because the brain has a need to see the whole picture based on simple and familiar objects. So based on an object it has seen before, so it tries to comprehend it and creates a new and its own picture out of it.
Psychological illusions. Psychological illusions such as the after-imaging following bright lights or adapting stimuli of excessively longer alternating patterns are the effects on the eye or brain of excessive stimulation of a specific type, brightness, tilt, color, movement, and so on. Here you see pink dots, and if you look at the center, you will see a green dot going around. This is happening because the cones respond differently depending on the wavelength coming from the object.
Cognitive illusions. A cognitive illusion is usually a picture that is meant to show an ambiguous image or images. These images can be meant to confuse the senses or to require the mind to refocus attention to see both images. In this image, some say they see an old lady, and some say they see a young girl looking away. This is because these images are meant to confuse your brain by confusing your senses.
Distorting illusions are characterized by distortions of size, length, or curvature. Do you think these lines are diagonal? Well, they're actually straight. This is because of distorting illusions.
Ambiguous illusions are pictures or objects that generally present the viewer with a mental choice of two interpretations, each of which is valid. Here you see a duck or a rabbit. Well, it's both.
Paradox illusions are generated by objects that are paradoxical or impossible. Here is an elephant that looks like it has 8 legs, but really it has 4.
Fictional illusions are defined as the perception of objects that are generally not there to all but a single observer, such as those induced by schizophrenia or hallucinogen. Do you see a cube and a peace sign and arrows?